Coinmarketcap. Let's understand how the father of information works, or also known as the mother of information. It will give you all the details of all the cryptocurrencies, the volume that was traded in the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, the price, where you can find any kind of privileged information, the websites and community forums. Let's see it a little bit better. Coinmarketcap, our mother website, or a father website. Why is that? It's because Coinmarketcap is the mother of information. There are other websites similar to Coinmarketcap, but none of them as simple, as objective as the Coinmarketcap. It shows us all the necessary information in a very simple way. The capital market of cryptocurrencies, whether each individual capitalization currency, the price, the volume of trading, modifications, and all the alterations that have happened in the last 24 hours, a chart with the history of the last 7 days. Let's take a closer look on how this works in the real world. We can take a small tour through the Coinmarketcap. First, let's learn in the real world, how can you study digital currency? So let's learn a little bit about the Bitcoin currency itself. Then we go to Ethereum, just to have more basis for comparison. So let's go. Click on Tools, and then we're going to click on Historical Snapshots, and we're going to open another window. So here, we can see the history starting on April 28, 2013. And let's put here June 2013. So let's put here to year by year. Going January 2014, January 2015, January 2016, January 2017, and the current situation of the Coinmarketcap. Let's put it until here in the home page, and then it'll give us the exact information. For starters, still in 2013, Coinmarketcap started monitoring the currencies. First of all, there weren't as many currencies as we have today, with such an enormous trading volume, and they monitored only these cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Peercoin, Namecoin, Terracoin, Devcoin, and Novacoin. Time went by, the amount of digital currencies increased. So how much was the Bitcoin on April 2013? Check this out, $135. So it was just the beginning of its exploration. Litecoin was $4.33. Peercoin was worth 38 cents. So let's move forward a little bit. Let's see from June to July. Actually, from April to July. In July 30th, 2013, the Bitcoin would suffer a loss. Bitcoin went down to $95. Litecoin also had a drop from 4 to 2. Peercoin went down to 11 cents. Time went by. So in 2014, Bitcoin had an enormous breakthrough. That's when everybody started looking at the market a new pair of eyes. In 2014, Bitcoin went up to $864. And all these information are here in a Coinmarketcap. From the amount that the market negotiated in the last 24 hours, the price raised on the last 24 hours, and also in the last 7 days. From January 5th to 7 days ago, Bitcoin had an increase in value of around 19%. So let's move forward just a little bit more. Let's go to 2015. January 2015, Bitcoin would hit $281. Look at the price drop. So from 864 to exactly 1 year after that, 281. This was due to many news, many countries trying to end the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. Take a look at the price of Ripple, 0.02 cents of a dollar. Litecoin still holding on close to its $2. In 2016, everything changed. always were clear for Bitcoin to prosper in the crypto coin market, never to be closed again. Check the price for Bitcoin in 2016 in January, $431. In early 2017, Bitcoin would hit a mark of $963. And from January 2017 until now, let's say it, Bitcoin has already grown 300% with a market value of 2,844. This is our market. So let's take a look at Ethereum history. The last 6 months, Ethereum. Let's go back to the option Tools, History again. Let's go back to 2017. So January 1st, March, May, June 4th, until now. January 2017, Ethereum was $8.26. $8.26. In March, it was already $18.69. So the amount in circulation had increased. Daily trading volume had also increased, $30 million. While Bitcoin reached the mark of $172 million. However, if you look at this and you're surprised by the amount, the quantity of the numbers, let's continue checking. In March, in May, take a look at what happened to the volume of the trading volume of Bitcoin. $617 million. From March, $172 million to May, $617 million. $617 million in Bitcoin and $138 million in Ethereum. Ethereum was already at $96. Is there any doubt that these margins would continue to rise? Any doubt that this market would continue growing? Check it out now. June 4, 2017. Bitcoin went up to $2,505 and would continue rising. Ethereum Classic went up to $232. Would it continue growing? So we're here looking at June 6. That was 2 days ago at that time when this video was made. June 6, 2017. Ethereum Classic is $259. Bitcoin is at $2,151. So do you still have any doubts that this is a wonderful market and that it will continue rising? Do you have any doubts that Ethereum is going to reach $500? Whether it's a year from now or a few months from now? Do you have any doubts that Ripple, back then when we first checked, was around 2 cents of a dollar, that it will continue rising and that from 28 cents of a dollar it's going to reach $1? Just to give you an idea, guys, 6 months ago, the Ethereum was $8.26 on January 1st, and today it's $259. So this is exactly 3,000% of profit. This is our market. This is the mother website of information. This is where you're going to be able to compare all these currencies. So let's take a look at some more tools from the Coinmarketcap website. Here on the home page, you have the main menu where you can monitor all digital currencies. First, where it will show you the top 100 traded currencies, the ones which have the highest traded volume, or the top 100 most traded cryptocurrencies on a daily basis, for example. Here is the market performance of this coin. If you click on the currency, so for instance, I want to click here on the Ripple currency. Each Ripple crypto coin, if I click on the Ethereum, so it will give me the most important information on this crypto coin. From here, if you look down, you'll see the most important information on this currency. This is the website's menu. So let's go. The specific information, so market cap, how much volume do you have in circulation? How much in terms of money has been invested in this particular currency? Looking at Ethereum, how much is invested in Ethereum. It's a big number. More than 8,395 Bitcoins are circulating inside Ethereum. It's a volume that represents more on a daily basis, more than $727 million. What do you think? Is it a big market? Do we have the real information? Let's say the essential information in this website, all cryptocurrencies that you are monitoring and you intend to invest in it, the Coinmarketcap will give you. Let's go back to the homepage. The cryptocurrencies website, I'm opening a new tab here. The Explorer block, if there are more than one, it will give you all the websites that explore this cryptocurrency. This message board will take you to the official community for the currency, and sometimes it's going to take you for the most essential information on this website. Sometimes it's going to take you to the Bitcoin talk. Also, it's going to take you to the official website for the currency. It's essential that you go to this community forum and you start reading it, monitoring it, because there will always be news with expressive market information where you'll be able to find in a market where you'll be one step ahead of the other communities. So you can find in here real-time monitoring whenever there are news about this particular currency. Ethereum started being accepted Microsoft websites. When this news hit the media, the Ethereum went skyrocketing. Ethereum went from $10 to $50 very fast. If you were here, if you were monitoring and you got this information firsthand, you would have gone to the cryptocurrency exchange, you would have bought Ethereum, and you would have made a lot of money by the rising this currency suffered. To summarize, we have the official Ethereum website, the same as you would have any other currencies. You have one of the Explorer blocks, the blockchain, where you could consult, where you could check your hash. Here, another and another. All of them are official from Ethereum. All the information in first hand right here. You want to know how much it was being traded. You want to know where it is being traded. You want to know for how much it was being traded, let's say a day ago. In the last day, what was the variation? In the last 7 days, what was this cryptocurrency's variation? Take a look at this box. So the market cap, the price, here it hit $221. So in the last 7 days, this was Ethereum's variation in the market. So in the last month was its lowest price and the highest. Minimum was something around here, 91.11, 90.58, and highest price, $259. So in the last month, has Ethereum performed well? So these are the charts. You can zoom in, zoom out. So let's go for the market menu. Okay, so I got it. I understood that Ethereum is a very good cryptocurrency to invest in. So I know that this currency will, in the next, let's say, 6 months, hit the mark of $500. But where do I buy it? So let's check the markets. So you can select if you want to see the prices based on Bitcoin, or let's say Brazilian reais, Chinese yuan, and yen, all the currencies around the world. Let's leave it at USD, United States dollar. Let's check Poloniex. Ethereum paired up with Bitcoins. Price is $258.25. The traded volume for the last 24 hours is $117,702,000. What do you think? Is this a lot? This is only 16% of the whole volume. GDAX, the traded volume for Ethereum was $81,983,000. And the price at GDAX is $262. So this corresponds to 11.28% of the market, of all the traded volume. At BitHump, another $69 million were traded. At Kraken, there was also $47 million in trading. So we have all the information on all the exchanges that work with Ethereum, from the biggest to the smallest. From the smallest one that only owns $5. Livecoin, for example, that was paired up with Ethereum, just $5. So all the essential information that will help you to succeed and evaluate this market better are available at Coinmarketcap. Let's take a look at the next menu, social. When you click on the social tab, it will show you Ethereum social media feeds. So it will show you the most recent tweets, Reddit community forum, will show you the first-hand information. These are your greatest tools to analyze this market. Once you have this information, you can be in the right place at the right time. And this will allow you to purchase at the right time as well. And this will also provide you the best possible profit. Memorize all the important sources of information for the currency that you are investing or that you intend to invest. So in the end here, we also have some tools. This little table here, if you want to have it on your website and you're a web designer, a webmaster, you can copy this code or you can also customize this widget. So now I believe you understood why we call the Coinmarketcap our mother website. You also understand the greatness of all the information inside this website. So once again, I'll tell you, there are other websites similar to Coinmarketcap, but none of them as complete or as simple to display and to provide all this information to you. See you in the next class. Best of luck, Junior 888.